birthday to you. Happy birthday, 'cause you're awesome. Happy birthday to you. Awesome. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
Hello, Sis Aki. Happy birthday to you, Karen, sa panganay kong kapatid. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga tulong, sermon, at sa hindi mo pag-iwan sa akin ng mahabang taon. Maraming salamat. Wish ko sa'yo, sana tumangad ka pa, sumeksi ka pa, lalo pang dumami yung recording mo. Yun lang. Tapos yun lang. Happy birthday, I love you, alam mo yan. Thank you, God bless.
Hi Aki! Otanjobi Medito. May your day be filled with love, joy, and all the blessings you deserve. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Sis Aki! Sis Aki, ikaw matyaga nagbantay dyan at taga-payo dyan kay May. Huwag ka magsasawa Take care. See you soon. Magkikita tayo. Hintayin mo lang. Miss you. Happy birthday.
Aki, happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Inka lagi dyan. More. Aki, happy birthday. More birthday.
Ayan, hello Mami Aki, this is Treasure po, and I just want to greet you a happy birthday, and I hope you enjoy your day, at sana po stay strong, and God bless po always. Love you po.
Ayan, Tolaki, happy birthday. Basta wish you all the best, sana lagi kang masaya at healthy. Yan, tuloy lang buhay, maging masaya palagi. Yan. Wala na akong ibang masabi. Basta happy birthday. Salamat, Tol.
Pasensya ka natin, meron ng kodigo Hello, Ate Karen. Before anything else, batiin muna kita ng isang maligayang kaarawan and happy birthday in advance. Sana pagpalain ka pang lalo ni Lord. And salamat ng marami sa lahat sa mga tulong mo sa amin, lahat kami dito. And sana i-grant ni Lord lahat ng wishes mo. Happy birthday and see you soon. I love you and I miss you. Yung bag ko pasalubong ko
Hi baby koy! First of all, I just wanted to greet you a happy birthday. And pag-iisahin ko na tong greetings namin sa iyo ni Daddy Koy. Kasi ang wish lang namin sa iyo is palagi kang healthy at palagi kang mag-iingat dyan. Muri shinaide yo shigoto gambate mo. Wag ka lang magkakasakit. Yun ang importante. Love yourself. And kahit hindi man tayo masyadong nagbabanding, nandito lang kami ni Daddy Koy palagi sa inyo Keep in touch. And again, happy birthday. I miss you and I love you. We love you so much.
To my beautiful mommy Aki like me, today is your birthday. Happy birthday, Mom. I wish you all the best. More birthday to come to you and good health, more blessing, and I love you, Mom. Happy birthday.
Hello, Sis Aki. Happy birthday to you. I hope you will have a wonderful day today. May you have a very good health. And thank you for having me in Who Got Love Song community. I'm very happy to be part of it. May you have more power and many more birthdays to come.
Hi, Min. Happy birthday. I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. More candles you blow and stay what you are. And once again, happy birthday. God bless you.
We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday. We wish you a happy birthday and a happy birthday.
To my abnoy, eldest daughter, Karen, aka Captain Aki, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best. Good health plus wealth. Of course. Stay sweet and mabait. More blessings to come and forever happiness. Yay!
Captain Aki, happy birthday! Wish you all the best and more chicas to come! Yay!
Again,
Happy birthday! We love you!
We love you so much!
Love you so much!
Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Good morning, Hugot Love Song. Happy birthday, Sis Aki. I pray to God bless you with joy, peace, and good health in the year ahead. Happy birthday, Sis Aki. Love you.
Birthday po ni ng Aki. Mag-iingat ka po. God bless po. I love you po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita Karen, I love you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita Karen. I love you.
Hello, Sisi Ake. This is my heart ko. Happy birthday to you, Sisi ko. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sisi. Happy birthday to you. I wish you more birthdays to come, Sisi Ake. Good health always. Stay pretty. And God bless you always. We love you.